Android is one of the most popular operating systems in the world, but most people only use it on phones and tablets. What if you could install Android on your computer? In this video, I will show you how to install Android OS on a PC or laptop step by step. Why install Android on PC? Here are some advantages. 1. Play Android games on a large screen. Enjoy games with a bigger display using a keyboard and mouse. 2. Use Android apps. Install apps that are mostly available only on phones. 3. Revive old computers. Android is lightweight and can run smoothly on older hardware. 4. Better than some emulators. Running Android directly on your PC can deliver better performance and responsiveness than running it inside Windows. 5. Touchscreen. If your laptop has a touchscreen, Android provides a touch-friendly interface similar to a tablet. Method. Before starting, you need a PC or laptop, USB drive, 8 GB or larger, Android PC ISO file, USB boot tool, at least 20 GB free HDD, SSD space. 1. Download Android OS. First, download an Android version made for computers from Android x86, which is www.android-x86.org. Download the ISO file and save it on your PC. 2. Create bootable USB. Now open USB boot tool. Insert your USB drive. Select your USB device. The Android ISO file. Click Start and wait until the bootable USB is created. This USB will work like a Windows installation USB. 3. Boot from USB. Restart your computer. Open the boot menu by pressing the boot key, F12. Select your USB drive and press Enter. The Android installer will now start. 4. Install Android on HDD, SSD. From the menu, select Install Android x86 to hard disk. Now choose the partition where you want Android installed. Choose ext4 file system. Why ext4? ext4 is the standard file system used by Android and most Linux-based operating systems. During the installation, you'll be asked whether to install the GRUB bootloader. Select Yes. What is GRUB? GRUB is the bootloader that starts Android when you turn on your computer. Wait for the installation to finish. 5. Start Android on your PC. Restart your computer and remove the USB drive. Your PC will now boot into Android. Finish the setup, select your language. Connect Wi-Fi. Sign in with your Google account. If your Android build doesn't include the Google Play Store, you can still install apps by side-loading APK files or installing Google Apps separately. Now you have a full Android operating system running directly from your HDD or SSD. That's how you install Android OS on a PC or laptop, just like installing Windows. Subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this.